So I'm doing some work on the black car today, actually an engine swap. And I was getting the brake ducts and things like that out of the way so I can drop the engine from the cradle. And I took a look at these guys and figured it might be a good time to make note of some stuff. Last week, somebody asked me on one of the YouTube video comments whether or not I thought it was worth it to run brake ducts. And my comment was that in the case of Spec Corvette, I didn't think it was particularly worth it because the Willwoods are really kind of oversized for what we're doing. Running 200 treadwear tires and being limited to 380 rear wheel horsepower, we're just not putting that much heat into the brakes. And so I've been running the silver car without brake ducts. This is the black car. It's my original build, right? This is the number 17 that I built with brake ducts. Now that I've been running the silver car for a while, I'm basically realizing that I'm still not getting any boiling of fluid. There's no fade in the brakes. I'm not seeing any additional wear in pads or in the rotors. And so my comment to the gentleman that asked me the question on YouTube or on one of the videos was that I thought that running brake ducts in this case is really unnecessary, and it just kind of adds to the pain in the rear factor. And so you can kind of see why. So I've got some foil tape covering some places where the brake ducts have rubbed against, the ducting is rubbed against the wheel. You can see some other places where it's gotten chewed up. And so effectively this brake duct isn't really doing anything anymore. And then furthermore, now that I'm trying to get in here and work on it, I have to pull the brake duct out of the way so that I can do what I need to do. So since it's really unnecessary in my eyes, I'm actually gonna go ahead and remove it from the black car and call it a day and run without them. I don't think it's really helping that much. Furthermore, I've got some backing plates back here, and the way they distribute the air, I don't think it's actually helping the rotor. It might actually be making things worse by overcooling the inside of the rotor relative to the outside. So from this point forward, I will leave these guys in. It'll blow air into the center of the wheel, but I'm gonna rely on the vanes to basically do what they're supposed to do and suck air through the rotor to cool it uniformly like they were designed. So goodbye brake ducts. No more brake ducts in the number 17.